Hello, you're welcome back to Crypto King. On this video, we are going to look into BTC that's been pumping. We'll look into the charts and then we'll also look into the altcoins that's been going red since this pump. We are going to look into this and I'm going to tell you what you need to do. We also look into the Bitcoin ETF that's been approved. We'll see what this could mean to crypto in general and then to BTC. So we are going to talk about all this, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button written below this video, click on the bell and click on all. By doing this, you will get notifications whenever I make new videos. Let's get in. We are looking at BTC USDT and the daily candles, and as you can see from here, I was telling you that when we hit this upper line that we are going to see some sort of resistance, and as you can see from here that we did hit that upper line and we saw this resistance here, and then you can see from here that it's pumping again, even though we did not hit this middle line before this second pump here as we saw in this place now. And this is coming as a result of BTC approved as an ETF in the USA, which we are going to talk about later. But what we are seeing right here is that we are broken out of this line. Even though I did not enter the trade and I didn't make the call, I wasn't with my phone then, so that's the reason for it. But I'll be looking at this. If BTC comes down, maybe by tomorrow it comes down and holds above this upper line here, I will be longing Bitcoin by then. And now with this, I want to show you something right now. When I pull out this Fibonacci retracement and then measure from this low here to the up, you are going to see this. And when I measure from this low to the up, you can see right here that this is the reason why we are experiencing some sort of resistance around this $62,000 level. You can see this level here, the level of 0.236 Fibonacci level, which is lying around $62,271.75, and that's the reason why we are seeing this resistance around that level. And now what we are going to see is that we are either going to break above that level and then go to the next level, or we are going to retrace down. And now look at this. I believe that even if we are retracing down, that this very line here, this upper line here, is going to serve as our resistance, because you can see from here we had our support now, because we had resistance here, we had resistance here, we had resistance here, and then we had another resistance here before this breakout. So this actually means that we are going to see some sort of support even if we are retracing down, and I will be looking at longing Bitcoin when we have accurate support here and we are about to break to the upside again. So this is it right now, and as you can see from here, everything is looking good for Bitcoin, and we could see new all-time high very soon. And I'm looking at this picture is the certificate of approval of the first Bitcoin ETF. As you can see it from here, now Bitcoin has been approved as an ETF, which simply means exchange traded fund. And now what does this mean? It means that more investors are going to have the opportunity to come into this the crypto space, and it means that billions of dollars are going to pump into this, and this could take Bitcoin to any level this year. And don't forget that the $100,000 level to the 300,000 level is my price prediction for Bitcoin before the end of bull run. And I'm looking at the coin market cap, you will find out that a lot of altcoins are red. Even Ethereum, BNB, they have not pumped like BTC for today. And what is the reason for this? When BTC is pumping, when BTC is very strong, it means that a lot of money are pumping into BTC. Don't forget that all these are just the flow of money. When a lot of money are flowing into it, a lot of interest are there. Now BTC.D, that's the Bitcoin dominance, will go up and money will flow from most of these altcoins into BTC. But what happens is that whenever you see BTC pumping like this and altcoins are not pumping, what you need to do is just to relax, because as soon as BTC begins to consolidate, you will see that these altcoins, that they will begin to pump definitely. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your coming here. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me that favor by clicking on the subscribe button written below this video, click on the bell and click on all. By doing this, you will get notifications whenever I make new videos.